Hello everyone, myself Mahvish Fatima, and I am thrilled to be your guide on this mystical journey into the world of gouache painting. Before we begin, let's take a moment to gather our art supplies. For this painting, I have chosen to work on watercolor paper, a medium that has brought life to some of my most cherished and loved artworks on my Instagram. Let's talk about the brushes. I always work with a limited selection of brushes. That's why I'm going with these three brushes only. These are the colors I'm using today. Now that we are all set up, let's dive into the painting process. We'll begin by laying down a base layer of colors to set the mood for our mystical forest scene. As we paint, imagine yourself wandering through the ancient trees of the forest, surrounded by the whispers of the nature and the soft glow of magical light. Let your intuition guide your brushstrokes as we capture the mystical atmosphere of this enchanted realm. So have fun and enjoy the relaxing process. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this painting journey as much as I did. Remember, creativity knows no bounds, so don't be afraid to explore new realms in your artwork. Until next time, happy painting.